moving on right now. These are the visuals that are coming from Haryana. This is how Sakshi is being welcomed at Tikri Kalan, which is in Haryana. She is being felicitated for doing the nation proud in the Olympics. Sakshi Malik has reached this village just a short while back. It's en route to her home. She's making several stopovers after she landed in the capital from Rio this morning. Sakshi Malik, who was the flag bearer of the Indian contingent during the closing ceremony as well, is the first Indian woman wrestler to win an Olympics medal and also the first from the Indian contingent to win an Olympics medal. The bronze that she won has inspired many youngsters to follow her footsteps. Sakshi Malik is being felicitated by villagers at Tikri Kalan at the moment, and these are the visuals that you're seeing earlier. She was being greeted by the Haryana ministers at the airport as well. She also met her father, who was really proud of her achievements. And Sakshi Malik, interestingly, while speaking to our reporters, had said that she's waiting for the coveted aloo paratha and the breakfast that she missed at Rio. Sakshi Malik right now sitting with the Haryana Chief Minister as well. She's been given accolades. She's been given a lot of help from the Haryana government after she's won the Olympic as well. Haryana government has announced a slew of awards for Sakshi Malik and other Haryana champions who were part of the Olympic contingent, leading one to ask also whether this kind of aid should have been given before while they were practicing, so that they could have achieved more in training, they could have achieved a better training as well. But right now it's a moment of glory for Sakshi Malik, who's reached Tikri village at the moment with the Haryana Chief Minister. Special function being organized. We'll try and connect you with our reporters. Rahul is with us at the moment. Rahul, take us through what's happening as Sakshi gets heroes welcome. Alright, we'll try and connect with Rahul in just a bit. But let me take you through Sakshi Malik's background. 23-year-old wrestler who started training because she wanted to board a plane and go around the world. That was her idea of choosing wrestling. She's from a very humble background because Sakshi Malik's father is working with transport company, the state transport company. You have Sakshi Malik's mother, who is with the government's program. She's an Anganwadi worker, and from there to rise to the top has been nothing short of a challenge for Sakshi Malik. Here you go, given a bouquet by the Haryana Chief Minister at Bahadurgarh at the moment. Sakshi Malik also in middle, she is the spotlight. Now it's a very telling picture because this picture on your screen right now, she's the only woman being surrounded by men, be it in the uniform, be it the politicians. She is the only woman right now on the stage. With now there are more coming in, but she is the winner at the moment, and this is what Haryana needs to change. This is where Haryana needs to focus, and its sex ratio is at abysmally low. And not only that, even Sakshi Malik's own hometown is where sex ratio is very low at the moment, about 822 per 1,000 male, and this is a story that needs to be changed. This is the message that is going out from Sakshi Malik's victory at Olympics. Sakshi Malik is getting a hero's welcome. She said that from this feat, I hope that many others are inspired. My colleague Maha is joining us. Maha, you spoke to Sakshi Malik's grandparents as well earlier. From their time to now, it's been a massive change, the way women are being looked in Haryana. Sakshi Malik inspiring and being, in fact, the star campaigner of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao.
Well, yes, to a large extent, Devina, but let's not go overboard with the expectations from this one victory. Of course, she now stands as a symbol of what women can do and why they should actually be encouraged to take up a vocation that they like, to be educated, to do what they want in life. But certainly the change in the mindset will take a very long time because at the moment, you know, we know that even some time back when Sakshi Malik had already started performing well, even then there was a lot of resistance from the society. There were questions asked as to why a woman should be allowed to wrestle at all, and it's not something that women actually do, traditionally a man's sport. So it's only now that she has won the Olympics bronze medal. Many people seem to be telling us on camera that they will allow their women to do what they want. But we need to understand that the change is going to be a slow one, but at least a change has in fact started with people now at least looking at the fact that women can and should be allowed. They have the right to do what they want in life. The bigger concern in Haryana is the skewed sex ratio. If they get to know that there is an unborn child which is a girl, that is in a mother's womb, they indulge in female infanticide, feticide, and that is something that is of concern, and that is something that Sakshi Malik's victory will perhaps
Absolutely,
now
Ma. In fact, the visuals that we're getting, you have Sakshi Malik's parent who took the first step towards that change as well. Satbir and Sudesh Malik on the stage with Sakshi Malik. Proud moment for the parents as well who went against the society. We have Rahul also who's joining us. Rahul, you've followed Sakshi's career very closely. You've spoken to her parents as well. They had mentioned in one of the interviews with you that how specifically Sakshi Malik's mother had to listen and had to defend her daughter's decision in front of the society. But now today, all the critics are silent, and this is only after Sakshi Malik has been able to achieve the Olympic glory after her struggle.
Well, that's right. It's a very, very proud moment for the Malik, for the entire Malik family. It was. I remember her mother telling us that she used to take her to those wrestling training center where she would often wrestle with male wrestlers also. But now all those all her efforts have borne fruit, and as we can see, the Chief Minister of Haryana is felicitating Sakshi Malik, and her entire family is with her, and we can also see the government officials, in fact the ministers in the Haryana government felicitating Sakshi, and soon after she's done here, she is expected to leave for her maternal grandparents' place, and we're getting to hear that there are massive plans for her as she in fact reaches Rohtak and then to Mokra. That's her village where her father grew up. And we spoke to Sakshi. She said, she's very close to her mother and in fact father as well. She said that she's been asking her father to quit her job with DTC, but now she thinks that she can actually look after her entire family, and his father should now finally decide to leave her job. But of course, a very, very proud moment for the entire Malik family and also for the Haryana family. After all, this is the first female wrestler to have from Haryana to have, in fact, first female athlete to win an Olympic medal from Haryana.
And India as well, because first female wrestler to win an Olympic medal, Rahul. But she's so young, 23 years old, and she's achieved what many double her age couldn't perhaps. She has become the shining glory of India, and what a welcome for her today morning. But one also goes to see that the kind of infrastructure that she trained in, the way Sakshi Malik grew to be an Olympian. Take us through that.
Absolutely. In fact, these are the stories that have emerged from Rio Olympics. 117 athletes who competed for India at the Olympics, and only 2 medals. But of course, Deepa Karmakar, Sindhu and Sakshi have been the stories for this country. Deepa Karmakar, a gymnast, Sakshi, a wrestler, and that too a female. We all know the kind of facilities that are on offer for these kind of for these particular sports, and both these athletes have actually inspired a lot of people, especially girls. In fact, Sakshi also believes that her achievement will go a long way in helping a lot of other girls take up not just wrestling but but other disciplines as well, sport disciplines as well, and she hopes that India will win a lot of medals in forthcoming or in international. In other international events, especially the girls, she is expecting to do well in Tokyo Olympics. Of course, she believes that she will also be there higher on the podium. This time she did win a bronze, but then now she expects and hopes that she will stand a bit higher on that podium next time in Tokyo.
Rahul, we continue following the story and continue talking more about Sakshi Malik. Just want to show our viewers a bit about what Sakshi Malik tweeted earlier. She said that a proper breakfast, I've missed you. This was a tweet on the social media. And just before coming to India, she said, "Main aa rahi hoon, apne desh, apne ghar." This is what she said. But before we get into a break, one quick check of what needs to be shown to our viewers at this moment. This is Sakshi Malik addressing the crowd.
बड़े ही दो शब्दों में अपना हुनर, अपनी बानगी.
So it's thumbs up for Sakshi Malik this morning. Sakshi Malik, who's also been given 44 lakh. This was PV Sindhu was given 44 lakh earlier and 13 crore post Olympic. Sakshi Malik given 12 lakh by the government compared to 5.6 crore after the Olympic win. Also going on to show perhaps more needs to be done for our athletes while they're preparing.